Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see what are code snippets that are available in Visual Studio. So let's first understand what are code snippets. Code snippets is kind of shortcut, or we can say is a easy way to write code. Let's say you want to create a constructor quickly. For that, we have a code snippet. If I want to create a constructor for my demo class, what I can do, I can just type CTOR and you can see IntelliSense will give me this option. It says constructor code snippet for constructor. If I press tab here, it will create a constructor for me. Meaning I don't have to type public then the class name, and I don't have to follow the whole syntax. I just need to type CTOR and the Visual Studio will understand I am trying to create a constructor, and when I press tab here, it will inject the code for the constructor for me. So this is how we can use code snippets in Visual Studio. Let's see some of the other code snippets that are available for us. Second snippet that we can see is a for loop. So when you are inside any method, you can type for here. See the second option here. This is nothing but a code snippet. Whenever you will see this kind of rectangle sign with dots at bottom, it means that is a code snippet. When you press tab here, it will automatically put the code for the for loop, and here my cursor is currently highlighting at I. It means if I want to change the variable here, I can change here. So if I press A here, then it will get changed to A. And when I press tab again, it will change A in all the places in this for loop. And here I can mention the length. What will be the length of my for loop? Let's say I want to run it for 10 iteration, and I can change it here. And when I press tab again, it will come inside the for loop. So this is how you can quickly create a for loop using code snippet. Let's see some of the other code snippets. Let's see the third one, that is for each. So if you want to use a for each loop, just for each, and if you see the second option again here, this is nothing but a code snippet. You can read here also, it is a code snippet for each loop. When I press tab here, it will inject the code for the for each loop, right? Let's see one more. Let's say you want to create a try catch block. For that, you can type try here and press tab twice. That will inject the try catch block for you, right? And if you want to create a try block with the finally block, you can type try F. If you press tab here twice, it will create the try finally block for you. And if you want to get the complete list of code snippets that are available for you, if you go to this website, right, I will put the link of this web page on the description below. So you can visit this URL and you can see all the code snippets that are available for you in Visual Studio. Right here, you have the code snippet name, the description of that snippet, and where it can be used. Let's see some of the example here. You can see here we have the code snippets for almost all the commonly used code. You can see here we have prop. So when you are inside a class, right, and you want to create an auto implemented property, meaning you want to create a property with get and set, what you can do, you can just type prop at the class level. Let me show you how. Let's type prop, and you can see it is a code snippet for property. When I press tab here, it will inject a code for my property. So I can change the data type. Let's say I want to create a string, and when I press tab, the cursor will move to the property name, and I can give the property name here like this, and get set is already added for me. Okay, so using prop snippet, you can quickly inject properties in your code, right? So guys, that's it for this video. In the next video, we will see how we can create our own custom code snippets in Visual Studio.